So today was also a very important day. As you know, the Jerry Powell have also a meeting with the Federal Reserve, and he should just explain what's happening and what's going on the economy. So that's why the market was very have movement. So today I just short around 1,000 share on Tesla, and all the trade and this position takes around 10 minutes. But I just move it the faster and I make it around 2 or 3 minutes to show you how I open this position. So let me show you on the screen. As you can see, so as always we have Nasdaq on the right side and we have Tesla on the left side. So I just shorted around 1,000 share just right here because on the Nasdaq, as you can see, the market will coming down. So and then I put my TP around $1,037 and I just waited. So this trade and this position takes around maximum 10 minutes for me, but I just changed the speed of this video so you can see it very well. So as you can see on the Nasdaq, so you have a lot of the movement from up to top, and then on the left side we have the Tesla. The Tesla is just also the same, the moving as like the Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq with Tesla today have is very different. What's it called? Because the Nasdaq, when they move up, so the Tesla also coming down. It was a little different actually. So, but you couldn't calculate it always. When the Nasdaq move up, the Tesla should also go up. But sometimes that's not the working. So you should be always careful when you open a position, because the Nasdaq is also today was going up, and so when I opened a position, so and I saw the Nasdaq going up but the Tesla coming down, it was a little weird actually. So here you can see, so the Nasdaq is starting going up, but the Tesla also is going a little, but at the least after 2 or 3 minutes, so the market also coming down and fall down because the speech. So during this the trade, the Jerome Powell also speaking with the Federal Reserve, so that's why it was very the market, as you can see, it was very have a lot of the move. So and then I just waited so to hit my target. So you can see it on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is still coming down, and as you know, the inflation also speeded up, and maybe the Nasdaq touched the lower low again. So I mean in future, maybe in this month, and but you should be always update, otherwise. So yeah, but Jerome Powell says the market is still needs to be coming down. But let me go back to the trade. So here just my TP just hit it, and yeah, all the trade is takes around 10 minutes. So guys, if you trade in the stock market, that's very important to know, to check the index. It can be S&P, as always I said, S&P, Nasdaq, or it can be also TQQ. And the TQQ is also good for trade if you have not too much amount for trades. So if the Nasdaq move only 1%, the TQQ move 3%. That's also good option for you. And yes, that's all. So just check the index is also important. I'll also be update and check the news every day. So that's all guys, thank you for watching. And of course, if you want to use this platform which I use, it's called Colmex Pro, and then you just go click on the link and then you go through the sign up page, and after that, so you don't need to pay 1 month's free fee to this broker. It's very good broker, especially in stock. So yeah, if you want to trade in the stock market, so you can use the Colmex Pro, which I always use it. Thank you for watching guys, thank you, and have a nice day, morning or night.